Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the shaded area in here. So we need to consider about the triangle ABC. We know that AB equals to BC. So this triangle in here, that is about isosceles. So that means the angle in here equals to this angle in here. So we know that angle B that is about 90 degrees. So we can find the angle 8 equals to angle C. That is about 180 degrees minus 90 degrees. That's it from here. Divide by number 2. And we have 45 degrees. Now, let's go to triangle AEC. So, about triangle AEC, we have 15 degrees. We can find this value in here. And that is about ACE. So, we have 180 degrees. We minus about 15 degrees. And this one, we can minus about 90 degrees from here. And this one, we got about 75 degrees. But I want to find this angle in here because we need to find the shaded area. So we have BCE. We know that this one that is about 95 degrees. We know that this angle in here that is about 45 degrees. So we calculate this one and you got about 30 degrees. Now let's go to find the side EC in here. So in triangle AEC, we know that we have 15 degrees. We can find about the value of AC in here. AC that is about this triangle ABC. So we know that AB equal to BC. So in this one, we can use about Pythagorean theorem. So that is about AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. So AB that is about number 2 with the square root of number 2. And BC that is about number 2 with the square root of number 2. Now we can find about AC in here. So we calculate this one and you got about 16. So we can find about AC. So we put the square root for the both sides and we have number 4. After you got about AC, we can find about EC in here. So we consider about triangle AEC. We have the right angle in here and we have 15 in here. So that should be about sine alpha. That is about opposite divided by hypotenuse. So this one we put 15 degrees. Opposite, that is about EC. Hypotenuse, that is about AC. Now I want to find EC. So in this one, I will put about AC multiplied by sine 15 degrees. AC we have number 4. So we calculate this one, and we have about the square root of number 6 minus the square root of number 2. After we got BC, EC, and this angle in here, we can find the area of the triangle BCE. That is about 1/2 multiplied by EC multiplied by BC, and sine of BCE. So EC, that is about the square root of number 6 minus the square root of number 2. BC, that is about number 2 with the square root of number 2. This one, that is about 30 degrees. So we calculate. So we have the square root of number 3 minus number 1. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.